solve for x. Question number 1, mod x minus 1 is equals to 2x plus 3. Question number 2, mod x minus 1 is equal to x minus 3. So to solve these questions, what we do is, first question solution is, solution for first question is mod x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 3. So whenever the question involves absolute value function, that is modulus function, first what you do is, so first find the root of this expression, that is the root of the expression which involves modulus. So the root of mod x minus 1 is equals to, so equate this x minus 1 to 0, that implies here x is equals to 1. Now you divide this into two cases. So here case 1 is, case 1, x is greater than or equal to 1. So this is the number line. So here the root is 1. Therefore divide it into two cases. One is x is greater than or equal to 1, and another one is x is less than 1. First, x is greater than or equal to 1. If x is greater than or equal to 1, implies x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. So if x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0, then mod x minus 1 is just x minus 1 from the definition of the modulus. Now you replace here, in place of mod x minus 1, just x minus 1 in this case. So this implies the question becomes x minus 1 is equals to 2x plus 3. So this implies take out x this side and 3 left hand side. From this one, x is equals to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4. So here our domain is, our case is what, x is greater than or equal to 1, but we got x is a negative quantity. Therefore this is not acceptable, because here x is greater than or equal to 1 we have taken, but we got x is negative quantity. Therefore this is rejected value. So in this case there is no solution. Next come to the case 2. So in case 2, x is less than 1. You take x is less than 1. So if x is less than 1, implies x minus 1 is less than 0. If x minus 1 is less than 0, implies mod x minus 1 is equal to minus of x minus 1 from the definition of the modulus. That implies this is 1 minus x. So now the given equation becomes, if you replace mod x minus 1 with 1 minus x in the given question, so the question becomes 1 minus x is equals to 2x plus 3. So take out this minus x right hand side, 3 left hand side. So from this one, minus 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 is equals to 3x. From this one, x is equal to minus 2 by 3. So here, is this acceptable value? Yes, because our case is what, x is less than 1. X is less than 1. So x equal to minus 2 by 3 is less than 1 only. Therefore this is acceptable value. So here, if x is greater than or equal to 1, no solution, because x equal to minus 4 rejected value, and when x is less than 1, so we got the solution as minus 2 by 3. Therefore the number of solutions of this equation is only one, that is x equal to minus 2 by 3. Therefore solution is solution of mod x minus 1 is equals to 2x plus 3 is x equal to minus 2. This is the solution, only solution. So now we will see the solution graphically also. So we will draw the graph of first mod x minus 1, that is x minus 1. So this is the graph of mod x minus 1 and 2x plus 3. So this is the graph of 2x plus 3. Now see, so this is the graph of mod x minus 1 and this is the graph of, so this is the graph of 2x plus 3. See, for x is greater than or equal to 1, see here this is 0 and this is 1. So for x is greater than or equal to 1, therefore this side right hand side of 1, the two curves, that is y is equal to mod x minus 1 and 2x plus 3, are not intersecting. There is no intersection point. That's why for x is greater than or equal to 1, there is no solution. That was case 1 we solved. And in case 2, if x is less than 1, this side, so we got one solution. So this is the, so this line y equal to 2x plus 3 and y is equal to x mod x minus 1 are intersecting at one point. This point is what the x coordinate of this point is minus 2 by 3. This is x equal to minus 2 by 3. So this is the one solution. So this is minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 is minus 0.667. Therefore, it has one solution for x is less than 1. Therefore, the solution is what? X equal to minus 2 by 3. Geometrically, uh, the two curves, that is y is equal to mod x minus 1 and y is equal to 2x plus 3, intersect at only one point, that is this one. Question number 2, that is mod x minus 1 equal to x minus 3. Question number 2, solve mod x minus 1 is equals to x minus 3. So this is the question. Same procedure as previous question. First x minus 1, make x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x is equals to 1. So similar to previous one, we divide into two different cases. That is, this is 1. You divide it into two different cases. One is x is greater than or equal to 1 and another one is x is less than 1. First case 1 is x is greater than or equal to 1. So in this case, that implies if x is greater than or equal to 1, implies x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. That implies mod x minus 1 is equal to just x minus 1. Now put this mod x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 in given question. Therefore, the question becomes x minus 1 is equal to x minus 3. So here this x cancel. This is minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So this is not possible. Not possible. Therefore, there is no solution. Therefore, no solution in this case. So when x is greater than or equal to 1, the equation has no solution. So this is the case 1. Next case 2. Case 2, x is less than 1. So if x is less than 1, then x minus 1 is less than 0. That implies mod x minus 1 is equal to minus of x minus 1. So which is equals to 1 minus x. Now you put in place of mod x minus 1, 1 minus x in given question. Then the question becomes, therefore x minus 1 is equals to 1 minus x. is equals to x minus 3. So here 1 minus x is equal to x minus 3. So from here 1 plus 3 is equals to 2x. That implies 4 is equals to 2x. That implies x is equals to 2. So here we got x is equal to 2, but our case is equals to what? X is less than 1. But we got x is greater than 1 quantity because 2 is greater than 1. Therefore, this is also rejected. So this is rejected value. Rejected value since our case is what? X is less than 1. Therefore, in this case also no solution. So on number line we analyzed throughout the number line because here x is greater than or equal to 1. For x is greater than or equal to 1, the equation has no solution because we got minus 1 equal to minus 3, which is not possible, no solution. For greater than or equal to 1, no solution. And for x is less than 1, for less than 1 also no solution because we got the rejected value. So the equation has no solution finally. Therefore, from case 1 and 2, from case 1 and 2, the given equation has no solution. Has no solution. So what is the geometrical meaning of this one? So if you draw the two curves, that is y is equal to mod x minus 1 and y is equal to x minus 3 on the same coordinate plane, they will not intersect. So we will see graphically y is equal to mod x minus 1 and x minus 3. We have x minus 3. So see, if you see the graphs, so these two graphs, so this is the graph of y is equal to mod x minus 1 graph. So this is the graph of y is equal to x minus 3. See, these two graphs are not intersecting. Therefore, graphically also we can say that the given equation has no solution. So this is the solution.